In my next video, I'm going to show you how to turn that into that. But first, we got to do something about that. Stay tuned. In last week's video, we made upu curry, which is a dry meat curry. We didn't have fresh curry leaves, so what we did is we substituted lime peel. However, what do we do with the actual lime? I mean, it's kind of a waste just to throw it away, right? Well, the answer is mixed drinks, and we'll show you exactly what we're going to do next week. However, today, we have a little problem, and that is the vodka is terrible. Now, years ago, I'd run across people who were using charcoal to filter it to make it taste better. And I thought, this would be a prime opportunity to actually try that. What I'm going to do is I'm going to show you how that's done. Then, once that's done, I'm going to take some sips of the filtered and the unfiltered, and we'll see how it turns out. Might work, it might not work. I don't know. So, on that note, before we get started, feel free to hit that subscribe button wherever it is, or there'll be one at the end of the video. Also, I want to take a second and for full disclosure note, the reaction was actually filmed a couple of weeks ago. The reaction is actually real. We're just taking a little trip back in time to get there. So, let's go back in time. For those of you that have never seen this or done this before, the good news is this is very simple. After you followed manufacturer's instructions for the initial setup of the filtering unit, you just take vodka and pour it into the top. After you've poured it into the top, you wait until it's run all the way through and accumulated on the bottom. Then pour it back into the initial bottle, or if you still have some left there, pour it into a third container. Rinse and repeat. Keep doing it until you have filtered it as much as you want to. For this video, we filtered it 10 times. Okay, so here it is. This is the original. Rather than shoot it, we're just going to get a little bit and see if it still burns, still tastes bad. Oh yeah. Oof. Yeah. Oh, that's bad. I'm not overreacting. This is not my favorite vodka ever. It just keeps going and there keeps being an aftertaste to it. Oh, that's putrid. Okay, let's try the other stuff. Let's see if the internet is right and this actually fixed anything. Yes. This distinctly and distinctively does not have the burn to it. It doesn't have the continually bad aftertaste. This is considerably better than the other stuff. Okay, that's it for this video. Feel free to leave a like, leave a comment below. If you don't like, go ahead and hit the like button away. Show what a great human being you are. There'll be a link to subscribe, a link for a playlist full of videos just like this, and a link for my most recent video. Once again, I'm J.D. Tremaine. Thanks for watching. See you soon.